Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to enable app icon badges for X Notices on the X app. If you've ever wanted to see quick updates right on your home screen without needing to open the app, this feature will make things much easier for you. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can set it up right away. First, open the Settings app on your phone. This is where you'll be able to manage all the apps and notifications on your device. Scroll down until you see Apps, and tap on it to bring up your full list of installed applications. Next, find X app in the list and select it. This will open the specific settings just for that app, giving you full control over its permissions and notification preferences. Once you're inside the X app settings, go ahead and tap on Notifications. This section is where you decide how the app alerts you, whether it's with sounds, banners, or badges. From here, you'll need to select Notification Categories. Inside Notification Categories, look for X Notices. This is the area that controls the specific updates you'll see from the app. Tap on it to open its settings. Finally, toggle on the switch for App Icon Badges. By enabling this option, anytime there's a new notice from the X app, you'll see a small badge appear on the app icon right from your home screen. This makes it simple to know when something new needs your attention without having to open the app. And that's it. You've just enabled app icon badges for X Notices on the X app. Now you'll always be up to date at a glance. If you ever change your mind, you can repeat these steps and toggle the setting off at any time. Thanks for following along.